Hey, what's going on guys? So Osman here. So I'm just going to do a review video about a brand new product that just hit the marketplace. So the product name is called Facebook Messenger in a box. And this video is about a review of what this product is, okay? So you've probably seen the sales page. This is what the sales page looks like. And I don't want to bore you with the sales page because you've probably seen it by emails or on YouTube, or people have been sending you this. But I want to tell you what this product is about, okay? So I already written a blog post and let's go through this. So the product name is called Facebook Messenger in a box, and the vendor is a good friend of mine, Mani Hanif, and the product is launching on the 2nd of August 2020. And the pricing is start at $9 to $12.95, okay? It offers a 14 days money back guaranteed. It's a training course and it's on Warrior Plus, okay? So before I show you what is inside the members area, let me quickly tell you what this product is all about. So Facebook Messenger is in a box is a step-by-step training course which consists of 10 video tutorials that teach you exactly how to use Facebook Messenger to optimize your profile, position yourself as an authority, and connect with people to offer your product or services. In other words, closing a sales. But that's just a brief description of what it does. There is more into this. So let me walk you through inside the members area. Okay. So we are now inside the members area. As you can see, you got 10 video tutorial on the Messenger in the box training, and then it has some bonuses, it has a case study, and then it has an upgrade. Okay, so video number 1 is an overview of what this product is about. Video number 2 talks about optimization and branding. Video number 3 talks about filtering. Got video number 4 about adding friends. Video number 5, how to get a flood of people to message you. Video number 6, where do your customers hang out, right? So this is very good video where you can actually find where your customers are hanging and then connect with them and make sales. Video number 7, how to generate $1,000 per day promoting affiliate offers. Video number 8, honey trap method of getting noticed. Qualify your prospect with this question. Video number 10, conversation script video, where I'm showing you how you actually close the sales. Okay, it's also offering some bonuses like list of groups to join. Bonus video number 1, 2, qualify your prospect within 5 minute script, actual conversation that leads to a sales script, and then you're going to get the case study where I'm showing you how to close a sale on Messenger. That's a cold lead. I'm showing you how to closing a sale on Messenger from a cold lead. Also, you're going to see the case study number 2, which is by my good friend Joyce Meet You, where he's showing you how to make yourself with someone on Facebook. Okay, so that's basically what's inside the members area, and this is what you're going to get for $9, right? So let me just go back to the blog and show you if it's really worth it, right? So for $10, as mentioned, you're going to get all this, get a lot of tons of value just for $9, right? And let me talk to you about the OTO, right? So the OTO means one-time offer. They're offering you a done for you package for $27, right? So let me show you the members area of the OTO, right? So this is what you're going to get. You're going to get 25 done for you message to send to connection, 50 done for you question to ask in groups, 50 done for you question to ask prospect, and then you're going to get a case study of me showing you how to close a warm lead, and then a case study of me showing you how to close a hot leads. Plus you're going to get another case study from my friend Joyce on how he's closing $100 sales, right? So if you're asking me if OTO number 1 is really worth it for $27, I would definitely say yes, because you're getting a tons of value for $27 without even mentioning my bonuses, right? OTO number 2, coaching for $497 with Mani Hanif. OTO number 3, Resale Rights for $197, and that's pretty much about the products, right? So before I show you what's my bonuses though, and I want to give you my take on which OTO you need to purchase. Okay, so OTO number 1 is $27, right? So you're going to get free case study plus all that I showed you what's inside the members area for OTO number 1 for $27, right? But my bonuses, I've already told you about all the OTOs and what this product is all about, but now let me show you the bonuses you're going to be getting, and then which one of the OTOs that you need to purchase. Okay, so bonus number one is when you purchase the front end, you're going to get the ultimate launch jacking secrets, which is a training videos on how you can do launch jacking, and a lot of my students are using this to make sales. But you're going to get this as well included when you purchase the $9. Also, you're going to get access to my private Facebook group with like-minded entrepreneurs. This is not a spam groups where people can come in and then actually do what they want. I actually qualify people who I want to put inside my group. So people that are providing value and really want to grow. So you're going to be connected with these members, right? And a special bonus for people who purchase any of the OTOs, right? So I'm going to show you how to build your chatbot. Plus, you're going to get my exact flow. You can just plug it into your ManyChat and start building your own chatbot, right? So you're going to get this from me. And that's bonus number one. So bonus number two, I'm going to give you a training video on how to use a simple script to actually get more people to join your Facebook group, right? So I've used this over and over, and you're going to get this video on how I've been able to grow my group to over 1,400 plus subscribers, right? Plus, you're going to get done for you Facebook group, right? So as you've seen in the OTO here, Money is giving you, I think it's on here, links groups to join, right? So I'm going to offer you some extra. I'm going to give you my exact Facebook groups, my ultimate collection of Facebook groups is an Excel sheet containing over 25 plus groups, right? So I can't show you this here, but if you're watching this video, you know what I'm talking about, right? So also I'm going to offer you my Chrome extension, which is a ultimate collection of all my Chrome extension and resources. That's a PDF where you're going to get Chrome extension. So if you're a marketer, you already know that there's a lot of extension that actually helps. So you're going to get a lot of this, saving you time and money as well. Now, people who go and purchase OTO number 2, right, they're going to get an extra case study from me, right? So I'm going to offer them an extra case study from me, right? But this is only for first 10 people, guys. So I cannot offer this to everybody, right? First 10 people that purchase it, they're going to get it, right? First come, first serve. Plus, you're going to get an extra personal coaching with me and Samir, right? So if you're looking at the price, you're paying $27 plus $9, it's less than $50, right? For $50, you're going to get an extra case study, plus the case study that is already inside, plus all the above bonuses that I've mentioned. So I think it's a no-brainer. However, I'm not here to tell you to purchase, but if you want to get this value, then you are free to make your own decision. Also, what I've done for you, if you're just reading this, if you're just watching this video, or if you're on Google, you're probably searching it, or if you're on my Facebook friend, I'm giving you a free case study of 40 minutes on how I'm closing sales on Messenger. So I believe I'm offering a lot of value for just a tiny price, right? These are just my value, right? So coming back to which OTO you need to buy, you need to purchase the $9 front end to actually get inside the members area. You need to purchase OTO number 1, which is $27, where you're going to get all the bonuses that I've just mentioned. OTO number 2 is coaching from Manny Hanif. So I'll be honest with you, if money is really tight at the moment, I wouldn't tell you to go and purchase $497 coaching, because you're going to get coaching with me and Samir for 15 minutes, okay? So you're going to get 2 just for purchasing OTO number 1, right? Resale rights. If you find value in this product and you've gone through and you believe it's something that you can promote to your audience, then I would suggest you purchase $197 so that you earn 100% commission on all the OTOs. Also, if you're a brand new affiliate marketer and you're looking for a product to promote, you can just purchase this $197. You'll be able to earn 100% commission. But again, this is your decision. I'm not asking you to buy anything. I just want to show you what's inside Facebook Messenger in a box. So if you've enjoyed my review, I would kindly suggest you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to give me a sum, and I will see you on the internet. Bye for now.